Yesterday we have seen the trigonometry ratio for 30, 45 and 60. Today we will see trigonometry ratio for 0 and 90. In triangle ABC, theta is some angle, theta 1, theta 2. Theta 0 means that that angles is decreasing. Theta 1 is greater than theta 2. As this moves downwards, what's happened? C is coincide with B. So this angle is 0. When in triangle ABC, B 90, theta decreasing and it becomes 0 when C is coincide with B. Okay, at that time vertices C coincide with B, then CAB is theta is equal to 0. At that time BC is opposite side is 0, that one is your 0, and hypotenuse is equal to the adjacent side. Adjacent side AB is equal to AC is equal to hypotenuse. Clear? Now sine A, sine 0, opposite side upon hypotenuse, that means BC upon AC. BC is equal to what? 0. 0 upon AC is equal to 0. You know that 0 upon anything is equal to 0. Keep it in mind. बराबर याद रखो, 0 upon any number is equal to 0. Cos A. Now cos A is equal to what? Cos 0. Adjacent side upon hypotenuse. Adjacent side is equal to AB upon hypotenuse is equal to AC. As C is lies on B. આ બરાબર આના ઉપર પડી ગયેલો છે. That means hypotenuse AB is equal to AC. AB is equal to AC. That means it is a 1 by 1. Okay. If you want to write it here, 1 by 1. Okay. Tangent of A. Tangent of A is equal to opposite side upon hypotenuse. BC is 0. Opposite side upon adjacent side. BC is 0. 0 upon AB. 0 upon AB is equal to 0. Cosec A. Cosec 0. Hypotenuse upon opposite. Hypotenuse upon opposite. Hypotenuse is equal to AC. Opposite is equal to BC. BC is your 0. So AC upon 0 is equal to not defined or a infinite. Okay, keep it mind. Any number upon 0 is not defined or a infinite. Clear? Sec A. Sec A is equal to sec 0. Hypotenuse upon adjacent side. AC upon AB. AC and AB both are same. AB is equal to AC. So it is a 1 by 1 if you want it. Similarly, cot theta, adjacent upon opposite. AB, adjacent is equal to AB and opposite is equal to BC. AB upon BC. BC is equal to 0. AB upon 0 is equal to not defined or a infinite. That is regarding trigonometry ratio for the 0. I will explain you once again in that table also. Now trigonometry ratio for 90 degree. Trigonometry ratio for 90 degree. Now I will increase this angle up to here like this way. So what happened? AB is becomes the vertical sides. That means B is coincide with A. B is coincide with A. B is coincide with A. Right? So what's happened? So AB becomes the 0. AB is equal to adjacent side is equal to 0. Okay, theta 2 is greater than theta 1. Here that AC is moving downward and C coincide with B. Here B coincide with A. So AB adjacent side 0. Opposite side BC is equal to hypotenuse is equal to AC. Sine A. Sine A is equal to what? That is your A. Sin A is equal to sin 90 upon opposite upon hypotenuse BC upon AC. That is your, we will write it second by 2. So BC upon AC is equal to 1. Cos A, cos 90 adjacent upon hypotenuse AB upon AC. AB is equal to what? 0. 0 upon AC is equal to 0. Tangent of A, tan 90, opposite upon adjacent. What is your opposite side? Opposite side is equal to AC upon, BC upon AB. BC upon 0 is equal to infinite. Cosec A, it is the inverse of sin A. 1 no inverse 1. Cosec A, cos 90, hypotenuse upon opposite, AC upon BC. What is your AC? AC is equal to BC. That one. AC is equal to BC. Is equal to 1. Sec A, inverse of cosec. Cosec is equal to 0. 0 no inverse, not defined. Sec A, sec 90, hypotenuse upon adjacent. AC upon AB. AC. AB is equal to what? AB is equal to 0. So it is a infinite. Be careful, any number upon 0 is equal to infinite and 0 upon any number is equal to 0. Cot A, cot 90, adjacent upon opposite, BC upon opposite, 0 upon AB is equal to 0. BC is equal to 0. Where is it? BC is equal to 0 upon AB is equal to 0. Cot A. Okay. Cot 90 is equal to 0. Okay. Now cot A, cot 90 adjacent upon hypotenuse. I have corrected here. Adjacent is equal to AB upon BC. 0 upon BC is equal to 0. AB is equal to 0. AB is equal to 0. 0. Okay. That one is 0. In last I have corrected it. Okay. Now all this ratio you have to remind. બધા તમારે યાદ રાખવાના છે. You have to memorize. Okay. Very simple sums. આના sums એકદમ simple છે. You are given suppose sin 30 plus cos 30. Put the value of sin 30, put the value of cos 30. Okay. And simplify. Finish. But for that you have to remember this table. How you make this table, I will explain you. First of all, I will show you sin theta. Sin 0 is equal to 0. Cos theta is equal to 1/2. Cos 45 is equal to 1 upon root 2. Sin 60 is equal to root 3 by 2. Sin 90 is equal to 1. How you will remind it, I will explain you. Okay. એ હું તમને બતાવું છું કે કેવી રીતે તમારે આ બનાવવું. Before start the exam, you have to draw this, make this table within a 15 second. પાછલા ટેબલ પાછલા એના અંદર 15 સેકન્ડના અંદર આખી વસ્તુ તમારી બની જવી જોઈએ. ઓકે. ચાલો કેવી રીતે બનાવવાનું છે તે હું તમને બતાવી દઉં છું. બરાબર છે. First of all, you have to write this 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Clear? પહેલા 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 લખી દીધું. Divided by 4. 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 Then, now be careful. 0 upon any number is equal to 0. I have written here 0 upon any number is equal to 0. That is for your PDF file. 0 upon 0 is equal to 0. 1 upon 4 is equal to 1 upon 4. 2 upon 4 is equal to 1 upon 2. 3 upon 4 is equal to 3 upon 4, and that is equal to 1. First of all, write 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 divided by 4, simplify. Then last steps, taking the square root of your result. જે તમારા આવ્યું એ રિઝલ્ટને તમારે શું કરવાનું છે? એ રિઝલ્ટને તમારે ડિવાઇડેડ સ્ક્વેર રૂટ. સ્ક્વેર રૂટનો રૂટ 0, 1/4, 1 નું સ્ક્વેર રૂટ 1, 4 નું સ્ક્વેર રૂટ 2, 1/2, 1/√2, 1 નું સ્ક્વેર રૂટ 1, that is your 1/√2. Square root of 3, 4 નું સ્ક્વેર રૂટ 2, 4/1, 1 નું સ્ક્વેર રૂટ 1. Again, square root of 0 is equal to 0. Square root of 1/4 is equal to 1/2. Square root of 1/2 is equal to 1 upon square root of root 2. Root 3/2, 1 નું square root 1. Clear? આટલું આવી ગયું એટલે એકદમ easy. Now sin theta, cos theta. Cos theta is the reverse directions. Cos theta is the reverse of the sin. First 1, second root 3/2, third 1/√2, that is 1/2, and that is 0. Clear? Now sin tan theta. Tan theta is equal to sin theta upon cos theta. Yesterday I have shown you how it is. Tan theta is equal to sin theta upon cos theta. Now see one thing, 0 upon any number is equal to 0, and any number upon 0 is equal to not defined or infinity. Tan theta is equal to sin theta upon cos theta. What is your sin theta? 0. 0 upon 1 is equal to 0. So tan theta is equal to 0. 1/2 root 3/2. Tangent of 30 is equal to 1/2 multiplied by 2/√3. That is your cos theta. 2 cancel. 1/√3. These are two same. 1/√2 upon 1/√2. 1. Root 3/2 tangent of 60. Root 3/2 upon what? 1/√2. 1/2 is equal to root 3/2 multiplied by 2/1. What you will get? Root 3. And 1/0. Anything upon 0 is equal to not defined. Clear? Thank you. First sin theta, thank you. Cos theta, inverse of this one. Then tan theta, sin theta upon cos theta, 0/1, 1/2, upon 3/2, 1/√3, 1/√2, 1/2, 1, root 3/2, 1/2, root 3, 1/0, not defined. Clear? Now cosec theta. Cosec theta is a inverse of sin theta. That is inverse of sin theta. Okay, cosec theta is a inverse of sin. So we will write it inverse. 0 no inverse, not defined. 0 dekhayega, not defined. 1/2, 2/1. 1/√2, root 2/1. Root 3/2, 2/√3. And 1 no inverse, 1. Clear? Sec theta. Sec theta is the inverse of cos theta. Cos theta 1 no inverse. Here sec theta is the inverse of cos theta. Cos theta means 1 no inverse 1. 2/√3. 1/2. 2. 0 no, not defined. Not defined no 0. 0 dekhayega, not defined. Not defined. This is it. Cot theta. Theta no, not defined. 1/√3 no, root 3, 1 no, 1, 1/√3, not defined no, 0. Clear? Once again, sin theta, 0 not defined. 1/2, 2, 1/√2, root 2, 3/root 3/2, 2/√3, 1 no, 1. Second, cos theta. 1 નો ઇન્વર્સ 1 √3 upon નું 2 upon √3 1 over √2 નું √2 and 0 નું not defined. Clear? Cot theta it is inverse of tan theta. Okay, 0 not defined. 1 over √3 1 1 √3 not defined 0. So within a 15 second you have to learn by heart. You have to learn by heart. Okay, before starting the question, before in the examination, તમારું નામ લખ્યા પહેલા તમારી સપ્લિમેન્ટરીના છેલ્લા પેજ ઉપર ફટાક દીકીને 15 સેકન્ડમાં પેન્સિલથી કે પેનથી લખી બનાવી દેવાનું. Is it clear? And it is not hard, very simple. એક તમને બરાબર આવડી ગઈ, એક વખત 3-4 વખત ટેકનિક કરશો એટલે આવડી જશે અને ઘણા બધા सम्स કરશું એટલે ઓટોમેટિક યાદ બી રહી જશે. ક્લિયર? અપ ટુ હિયર tan theta is equal to sin theta upon cos theta, cot theta is equal to sin theta upon cot theta. 0 upon not defined is equal to 0. Not defined upon 0 is equal to not defined. Keep it in mind. Okay? Some notes is there. As theta increases, value of sin theta, tan theta and sec theta increases and vice versa. That means if theta is increasing, value of sin theta is increasing. If theta is decreasing, then value of theta will be decreasing. See here, 0 0 30 as the increase from 0 to 30, that is 0 to 120. 0 to 45, 1 over √2. As this one theta is increasing 0 to 90, it moves from 0 to 1. જેમ તમારી થીટાની વેલ્યુ વધે તેમ તમારી sin થીટાની વેલ્યુ વધતી જાય. જેમ થીટાની વેલ્યુ ઘટે તેમ sin થીટાની વેલ્યુ ઘટતી જાય. For what? For tan theta and sec theta. Sec theta જો 0 થી ચાલુ થાય not defined. પછી sec theta જો 1 થી ચાલુ થાય not defined. વધતું જ જશે જેમ theta. While in case of as theta is increasing, value of cos theta, cosec theta, cot theta decreasing. એની વેલ્યુ તમારી શું થશે? ડિક્રીઝ થશે. cos theta 0 1 theta 0 હશે ત્યારે cos theta 1, but theta is equal to 30 at that time √3 upon 2, 45 1 over √2, like this way. Okay, so it moves from 1 to 0. Then cosec theta not defined to 1. જો જેમ જેમ આપણે આ બાજુ જતા જઈએ તેમ તેમ વેલ્યુ કેવી થાય? It is decreasing. Cot theta it is decreasing. Okay, આપણે આમ યાદ રાખી દઈએ તો બી ચાલે. C વાળા આવે ને cos theta, cosec theta, cot theta decreasing. It is a inversely proportional and that is a directly proportional. Get it? Chalo. Now from the table 3 notable points will be there. Value of sin theta and cos theta lies between 0 and 1. જો આની વેલ્યુ જો 0 થી ચાલુ થાય 1 સુધી, 1 થી ચાલુ થાય 0 સુધી, including 0 and 1. Value of sin theta and cos theta lies between 0 and 1. આપણે પહેલામાં પૂછેલું true false. Sin theta is equal to 4 upon 3. 4 upon 3 is greater than 1. So it will not lies between 0 and 1. समझ पड़ी? Now value of cosec theta lies between 1 to infinite. जो cosec theta maximally infinite, minimum value 1. Sec theta जो minimum 1, maximum infinite. So it will be not more less than 1. 1 करता ऊंचू आवे नहीं. 1 to infinite. Value of tan theta and cot theta 0 to start થાય up to infinite. Cot theta infinite થી ચાલુ થાય 0 સુધી. So it lies between 0 and infinite. It may be any value, but be careful. It is for the standard 10, and in standard 10 we have taken the value of theta lies between 0 and 90. It may be equal to. Okay, it is up to here. Is this one. આ તમારે બરાબર યાદ રાખવાનું. આમાંથી વેલ્યુ લઈને આમાં મૂકી દેવાનું, સિમ્પ્લિફાય આપી દેવાનું. બે સ્ટેપ્સ. Substitute the value and simplify. Suppose sin 30 into cos 45 plus cos 30 into sin 45. Sin 30 is equal to what? Sin 30 is equal to 1 upon 2, right? Cos 45 is equal to what? Cos 45 is equal to 1 over root 2. Multiplied by 1 over root 2. Plus cos 30 is equal to what? Root 3 upon 2. Cos sin 45 is equal to 1 over root 2. 1 over root 2. Clear? 1 plus 2 root 2 plus root 3 upon 2 root 2. 2 root 2 is your LCM. 1 plus root 3. That is your actually answer. પરંતુ તમે પાછળ જવાબમાં જુઓ છો એટલે તમને બીજો લખેલો હોય એટલે તમને એમ થાય કે પ્રોબ્લેમ્સ છે. અધરવાઇઝ ઇન MCQ ઓપ્શન વિલ બી નોટ ગિવન ધીસ. આ ઓપ્શન નહીં આપેલું. કયું આપેલું હોય તે આપણે જોઈએ. તમે આપણે 9th માં ભણી ગયા. વોટ વી હેવ લર્ન conjugative fractions multiplied by root 2 multiplied by root 3. Normal rules છે ઓકે કે ન્યુમેરેટર્સ ના અંદર irrational number નીચે and root 2 is your irrational. That means root 2 root 3 into root 2 is root 6. 2 into 2 root 2 plus root 6 upon 4 is your answer. Okay, option में તમને આ લખેલું હશે. tan 30, what is the value of tan 30? Tan 30 is equal to 1 over root 3. Sec 45 root 2. Tan 60, where is your tan 60? Is set here, root 3. Sec 30, where is your 2 upon root 3? 2 upon root 3 cancel. Root 2 upon root 3 plus 2. Root 2 plus 2 root 2 upon root 3. That is your answer. But conjugative root 3 root 2 plus 2 root 3 upon root 3 into root 3. What I have to do? Multiplied and divided by root 3. Conjugative fractions. Okay, rationalized factor. Rationalized fractions. Root 6 plus 2 into 3 upon 3. Root 6 plus 6 upon 3. Tan third 60, cos x 45, sec squared 60, tan 45. Tan 60 root 3. Cos x 45, where is your cos x? Root 2 no square. Plus sec square 60, where is your sec? 62. 2 no square. Into tan 45 is equal to 1. Is equal to root 3 into 2 plus 2. That means 2 root 2 root 3 plus root 2, that is your answer. Get it? Now next time we will see more example. Such types of the simple I will give in your PDF file.